not just for mopeds but any kind of type of vehicle. When you're welding parts while they are on the vehicle, you must disconnect the battery. You do not need to disconnect and remove the battery like I did, but you must disconnect it, otherwise you can risk some serious damage for the electrical components of the vehicle. So I just take you through quickly what I'm gonna do and how it needs to be done. It has to be on the bike, because while it's on the bike I can get perfect alignment, so the two pieces of the muffler will connect perfectly. So I won't be having the problem of getting the weld done while everything is off the bike, and then when I try to put it back on the bike I realize that they are not connecting properly, or the exhaust pipe is too low or too high. So in order to avoid this problem, I'm going to start to weld while everything is set up correctly. First I need to clean it with a brush and angle grinder. I should use alcohol, but I'm not going to do that. I don't have it at the moment. And these are the two areas I need to weld, this and this. And once I just made a little bit of weld, I can take everything off from the bike, and make the weld to be stronger. I cleaned it all around, everything, this one here and here, as much as I could, and shake it. Make sure that there's nothing inside, no dirt, nothing. If something is inside while you're welding it, that's going to be a problem. It can go into the engine. Only here at the top part with a file, not to take off too much. Yeah, I just filed it down. I mean, with an angle grinder I used everywhere, and only at the very top, the file, and here as well. As you can see, it's nice and shiny, so it will connect better. The weld is going to be a little bit better. This area I couldn't assess, so I used just file a little bit. All ready to, it's all done, ready to go for welding. Bolts are in place. I didn't just put them in, I tightened them. These here, these two. Put up everything as much as I could so the sparks will not go and damage other parts of the bike. I'm not gonna go crazy. I just start with 16 volt minimum setting, and I will just go like this, straight down. I was going left and right a little bit, and as you saw I was do it very slowly, so the weld is a little bit bigger and stronger. This is going to be a little bit hard because I have to breach over from one side to another, so yeah, I have to build it up, from here until it reaches this side. It's a bit difficult to make it. I mean, it's easy, but it's difficult to make it to look nice. And now that I have breached over, I can use this as a support by going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. The weld here and here is strong enough so I can remove the whole muffler from the vehicle, so I can put back the battery now.